do I have a vlog for you guys. And this is probably going to be one of the only vlogs I do this week. Because I'll do like a vlog a week. That's what I plan to do anyways, like I did with my old channel. And to start us off, we have, well, not to start us off, this is going to be the entire focal point. This beautiful masterpiece that cost me zero. That's not a six. That's $0. Because I have an array of beautiful parts for me to use. So I managed to make this jumbled mess of 2 disc readers, a hard drive, motherboard, power supply with 1,000,000 cords, 2 fans, and some front I/O. Not too bad, right? Well, I'd agree with you. However, there's a slight issue. It's an old gateway that, well, let's just put it this way, has DDR1. For anybody that's tech savvy or just knows a little bit about tech, they know what DDR1 is. And for those of you who don't know, it's what lets your computer do multiple things at once, to put it simply. And that is the first version of that. It's the most basic. And I'm realizing I didn't put on the case right. There we go. You guys won't notice the difference, but I can see it in person. Anyways, back to what I was talking about. DDR1 is the lowest form. And to put it simply, for those of you that have phones, most of you would know what it's like to have phone storage fill up. If you have a lower end smartphone, or you just don't have an SD card, or whatever the reason may be, you probably ran into low storage issues. That's not what this is. Storage should not be confused with RAM. This has 250 gigabytes of storage. No problems there. However, this does have a minor issue when it comes to RAM. Can't do many things. And RAM was a big issue, because the stock RAM it had in it was, I think, 3 gigabytes of RAM, which is not too bad for a 32-bit motherboard, which, by the way, means I can't run Windows 10. It's running Windows 7 Professional 32-bit. Not too bad. Honestly, I'm happy with it. However, it comes to the point to where I've been working on this for 4 days. 4 days. And I am very, very saddened by the fact that this project right here could have been done on day 1. I did not know 2 things. 1, that I needed to just clean the hard drive. 2, that I also needed to completely change the RAM, which I did, because over there, bad RAM. Bad. You stopped my project for 4 days. Evil bastards. On a lighter note, it now works, as I will demonstrate to you in 3, 2, 1. You can see the wires through it. So many of them. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but there's a few things going on in there. And as you can see, it's starting Windows. And now, while I wait for it to start Windows, instead of recording for 10 years waiting for it to start up, I'll meet you on the welcome screen. We are now at the welcome screen. And of course it's going to ask me if Windows is genuine, because I have not put in the thing yet. Came with a pin. Haven't put it in yet. Do that in a minute. Ask me later. It is important to use a genuine Microsoft software. You have benefit by using... I'll read this. Okay, I read through it. And now... Windows. Great. Windows 7, that's what I care about. And it's going to take forever to load the background. Well, it's been a minute and a half and it doesn't want to load the background. But either way, there it is, running. However, I would like to point out that I have this Optiplex, which is fairly stock, has a different disk tray, and it has a 1 terabyte hard drive, and it's running Windows 10. Those are the key reasons why this machine right here exists. That one can't run Windows 10, and my hard drive is fitted with Windows 10, and I did not want to downgrade to Windows 7 Professional. I wanted a desktop that ran Windows 10. And I was hoping that could be my project PC, which is right there. Sadly, it can't be because of the rules of it, which state, "'Tis must cost $0 to you." That was $0. This one actually was also $0. However, rule number 2 is that it must be 100% built by you. The only thing that goes with this case, besides the front I/O, because you're not going to get front I/O that fits a case without it being stock to the case, or aftermarket, but it's made specifically for this case, and that is illegal. You're spending money. It's free. Is the power supply. And I'm keeping this power supply no matter what you guys think, because this power supply is amazing. Has room for expandability beyond imagine. I could put a floppy disk in here if I really wanted to. I could also put in another hard drive if I wanted to, which I'm probably going to end up doing, because I have another one back there somewhere. Actually, it's right there. But that aside, that one was 100% free. And that was the main point. Along with, this one felt like cheating. All I did was replace the disk tray and hard drive. Everything else is stock Optiplex. And Windows 10, but I have like 1,000 copies of Windows over here, including Vista, XP, and Windows 2000. Great. However, this right here is Windows 7 Professional, which means it's a great operating system. Better than Windows XP. Better than Windows 8. Worse than Windows 10 in my preference, because I'm used to Windows 10. But still, I like it. Anyways, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And this is going to be, I guess, the first vlog I've ever uploaded to this channel. And when I mentioned the old channel, by the way, it was deleted because my Gmail for that channel was deleted. Otherwise, this would still be going up on that channel, because that channel was actually doing fairly well. Sucks to restore it, but what you gonna do? Either way, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.